The other day I was asked by an entrepreneur whether they should hire a bookkeeper or a CPA. They weren't sure of the difference between the two, so I thought I would share that with you today. Hi, it's Michelle Sism again, and I don't know if you guys know that I do have a degree in accounting, so I know a little bit about this. I hope that as part of your business building strategy, you are on top of the numbers, right? You have a bookkeeper or CPA, someone doing your financial statements for you. So the question was, do I hire a bookkeeper or a CPA? And so for me, the particular difference is a bookkeeper is that person who is on a month-to-month basis balancing your financial statements. They're balancing your checkbook. They are making sure that your receivables are coded correctly, that your expenses are coded correctly, and at the end of the month they are giving you a few statements. They're giving you a balance sheet, which is, it's kind of the state of the union, right? It's what are your current balances in all of your cash accounts and all of your receivables and all of your payables. What is your current equity in your business? That's what shows on the balance sheet. They should also be giving you an income statement, which shows your income and your expenses and your net profits, hopefully, right? And the third thing they should give you is a general ledger. The general ledger actually just takes the numbers from those first two reports. It is the detail of how those numbers come out and how, what entries were made to come up with those numbers. And then the fourth thing that they'll give you is a cash flow statement, which shows you how cash is actually moving throughout your company. So very important statements that they should be giving you. So that's the bookkeeper. The CPA, it can be your bookkeeper. It's usually in a more expensive route to let the CPA do your monthly bookkeeping, okay? But a CPA can do that part as well. I like to look at my CPA as my planning partner. They're the people that I go to talk about what, strategically, what are my taxes going to look like? What should I be doing differently to, change the outcome of financially of my business? Those kinds of things. Not necessarily the how am I coming up with more revenue, but they're the person that's there to give you some ideas on how you could shift things around, or maybe make a certain investment, or choose to make an investment later because maybe there's a better tax advantage of it in the future, kind of thing. So that's the difference between the CPA and the bookkeeper. Now, when should you have a bookkeeper or a CPA? Right away. Because the fact is, if you're not on top of your numbers, if you cannot walk up to me and say, yes, I know my income, I know exactly what I've brought into my company, exactly what I've sold, I know what my receivables are, I know what my expenses are and what my net profit or net loss is, right? And you're not waiting to the end of the year to find that out. You got to know those numbers. So get on it right away. Find you a bookkeeper, someone that can take care of that, in QuickBooks or one of those great online programs. So I actually work with a virtual bookkeeper. I live in Louisiana, if you guys don't know that, and my bookkeeper is in Houston. We have had a virtual relationship. I love her to death, know her personally, but everything's done virtually. So no excuses. You can find someone anywhere in the country to take care of these things for you. The prices vary, anywhere from low $20 an hour up to $85 an hour for a bookkeeper. So you'll see a wide array of bookkeeping prices, and you just need to really look at how much time it's going to take them, what your expectations are, what is it that they say they can do, and then you need to get a little education on how to read those financial statements. Hopefully they can provide that for you as well. All right, this is Michelle Sism. I want to remind you to be very decisive, right? Make these decisions. Get that bookkeeper taken care of or that CPA taken care of. And for more great tips like this, join me at my website, www.decisiveminds.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.